सलाम प्यारे प्यारे लोगों, वेलकम टू माय वर्ल्ड ऑफ कुकिंग। मैं हूँ रिमशा और आज मैं स्ट्रॉबेरी की 3 रेसिपीज आप लोग के साथ शेयर करूँगी। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। Berries are very healthy. We all know there are so many other berries, but today we're gonna talk about just strawberries. मैंने यहाँ पे एक बोल में पानी और नमक से उसको साफ़ करने के लिए रख दिया है। Let's cut them, chop them in very tiny bits and pieces. This is recipe first, so follow it. बहुत easy है. This is called frozen bites. Don't just let ingredients sit in your fridge and in your kitchen. Just use them. You all have all these things. This is curd which I'm using, around 4 tablespoons. And up to you. Like I'm gonna make around 4 to 5 bites. So you'll get to know with the process. और curd bowl में डालने के बाद I'm gonna mix these chopped strawberries very gently. We just have to fold this paste and keep it aside. Make sure the curd is not very liquidy. Now I'm gonna use this parchment paper. With the help of the spoon, you just have to put it on the parchment paper directly. Up to you, आपको इसको क्या शेप देना है और कितनी क्वांटिटी में चाहिए. I'm just using whatever suits me here. If आपका curd already sweet है, then you don't need the sweetener. I'm using honey here, drizzling some honey on top of it. And you know, it's like the sprinklers, whatever you feel like, whatever you have. You can even use dry fruits. So yep, here's the chocolate syrup all over it. And we are done. Yes, it's that easy. You just have to freeze it now. In 2 hours you'll be done, but up to you how. And for 2 to 3 days it's gonna go good, but don't keep it more than 2 days. Next recipe is using bananas and strawberries. So don't chop them, you just have to cut the extra part and put it in a blending jar. Add some milk, add some cream. Here is chia seeds. Sprinkle some of them, and honey, or you can use dates, up to you. That's it. This is banana strawberry shake. To give more flavors and that punchiness of the strawberry, I'm using these raw strawberries and just squeeze them in a glass of where you're serving, so that the flavors also come when you're eating with the spoon. It enhances the taste, and also the look. Here we pour our strawberry shake. That's it. Dress it out and you're good to go. Recipe 2 is ready. Now coming to recipe 3. Put some strawberries in cup or jar or whatever, up to you. Drizzle some chocolate sauce or chocolate, whatever chocolate you have. और बहुत बेहतर होगी ये रेसिपी if आप इसको hot chocolate को यूज़ करते हैं तो. Here's some cream. Yes, mix both of them. Trust me with this recipe. You're gonna thank me later. And we're done. With handful of strawberries, आप ये 3 recipes, quick recipes बना सकते हैं. Here's the shake. Here's the raw strawberry. Just by adding few ingredients and you're good to go. And here comes the third one. Hey friends, let us open and check. It's overloaded. And oh my god, this looks delicious. Let's just put it here and check. बहुत टेस्टी बना है. इसको तोड़ के देखते हैं. This one. Perfect frozen, crispy, colorful strawberry bites. Now it's time to eat them. Hey people! Delicious strawberry bite. I hope आप लोगों को मेरी ये 3 रेसिपीज़ क्विक रेसिपीज़ पसंद आई हो ऑफ दिस डेलिकेसी स्ट्रॉबेरी. वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए एंड बहुत सारा सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. चलती हूँ और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह. टिल देन रमज़ान मुबारक फूड लवर्स.